we in the exhibit to see.
Destroy property.
Prosperity.
Prosperity. Yeah.
Okay, why was Hoover Dam built? Okay, Hoover Dam exhibit. Okay, let's get in. Oh, I feel sorry for all these people. They build so much and they didn't get to use it much. They die, and only for us that get to see, enjoy this thing. A salute, a respect to you guys. How Hoover Dam built. There you go.
Then you have to hold a different water bottle.
Hold on.
Here, hold your water bottle then.
No, it's too heavy.
Okay.
It's too heavy. Here.
Look at this. Oh, look at all the exhibit. This is how they build it. So nice. Shovel. What is this one? Working the paddle.
I think.
Yeah. This is how they build it. Keep going up, 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 and up, and up, and up, and up. Rising from the riverbed. Yeah. What? Huh?
The hourly wages.
Oh yeah, look at that. How much they make during that time?
The best one is
What?
the safety miner to get the most out of your money. No, shovel operator gives the most money.
125.
That's the most you can
Wow, an hourly wage during that
get.
time.
And so then they said like what they work like.
They only get 2 days in a year for vacation or something like that.
And they only get like paid $4 a day or like around
Yeah,
$4.
$4
So they
a day.
only work like maybe 4 or 5 hours a day.
Yeah. No, probably they make they work 8 hours a day, but
But then it would have been like around $8.
I know. Yeah. Working so hard, risky, and they got paid during that time. $1 probably
Well, it's like, they said it
equivalent
was
to
like-
here maybe like $50.
Wait,
Oh,
about like
wait.
the
It was like
first
Great Depression era.
Yeah, the Great Depression too during that time. But the value of the dollar that time is expensive. $1 you can loan for a house over there that time maybe.
They get a miniature build of it.
You can down for the house.
Saying
Yeah,
there
see,
wasn't
that's
any
how
water
they
because
build
it
it.
was man-made. The water was man-made.
Nice.
The water may be man-made
Build
because
its
there wasn't
structure.
water there at the first time.
Dam take shape. This is concrete.
What did
On the
what
building,
you watch
give
like
up
that the water was man-made
So much
created?
concrete into it.
That's crazy.
Crazy. I was crazy once. Locking up in a room. A river room.
Stop.
A room full of rats.
Stop.
Rats
Look
make
at
me
the
crazy.
construction site.
Crazy. Rats make me crazy. Crazy. They locked me up in a room. A room full of rats. And rats make me crazy. Crazy. I was crazy once. They locked me up in a room. A rubber room. A rubber room with rats. And rats make me crazy. Crazy.